Alright, here I have my Hero 4, and it has an issue where it resets the date all the time on me. And we'll go into date and time. It's currently, November 12th, 2018 setup. Let's see. There we go. Oh, what did we do here? Date and time. Alright, so it's showing the correct date and time. 11/12/2018. Back. And it probably won't do it now that I'm filming, but it does it all the time to me. Power it off. Take the battery out. Come on, battery. There we go. Anyway, it has been screwing up on me. It's done it several times, and of course it's just not going to do it now. But I have a bunch of videos that are dated February 2015 and January 2015, and yeah, it just keeps resetting itself. I change it back, and a few days later it's changed again. So the last time I tried to get my camera to show that the date was changing, it wouldn't do it. So it's actually a couple of days later now. I might be able to show what the date is in edit, but as we can see there, it's changed to January 4th, 2015. So it was about 4 days ago that I recorded that last video, and it's changed since. And it's worked problem-free up until a few months ago, and it started giving me SD errors when I would record for more than, say, 2 minutes at first. It would give me an error, and then it started getting worse and worse. And anyway, so I ended up purchasing a new SD card. And I put the SD card in this camera, and it's working fine now. But I've taken the old SD card and I'm actually running it in this Sony camera that I'm recording this video with now. And the memory card has worked flawlessly in the camera that I'm using now. So what would be the difference between the Sony camera and the Hero 4 that would give an SD error? Now, I've tried all the little things. Keep in mind, I used this camera for 2 years, so it's not a matter of formatting. I've formatted the card several times. I've used it lots. It worked flawlessly for me for 2 years in this camera. So what could occur that it would stop working in this camera but still work in the Sony camera? If anybody has any ideas, let me know in the comments. I probably won't understand whatever it is that you tell me, but who knows? Might help somebody out. I'll see you guys next time.